good, YouTube? Do a little POV before first day I'm driving the car since the little snowstorm we had. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Car's already warmed up just about because I drove it earlier today, early this morning. It is 10:34. I think I drove it around 8 a.m. or something like that. Yeah, but yeah, we don't be driving these cars out here in the snow. Not me, that is. I ain't trying to get stuck in no snow. I wait until the road's clear. Yeah, eco mode. If you didn't know, I gotta figure out the order I'm gonna upload the videos in, because most time I just upload them as I go, and whatever video I want to upload, I upload it that way. But yeah, I did get the taser. I probably won't be uploading a video of explanation for that, because it's pretty simple, bro. As long as your car is like a between 2015 and 2017 Dodge Charger or Challenger, you just plug it in, play. That's pretty much it. Now if you got a 2018 or newer, that's when you gotta do the double bypass. You gotta plug things back, hook everything up by the battery and then plug it in back there. So if you got 2018 newer, I don't recommend it. It's just extra work, more tedious. It's the only benefit I'm using it here for is just for the SRT pages, the drive mode. That's pretty much it. I already have security. I got IGLA CompuStar with drone, and I have the neutral strap cover as well. So not using that for the pin code. I'm only using it just for the drive mode. That's pretty much it. Other than that though, man, hope you guys enjoy a little POV real quick. Nothing too crazy. About to go to some dealerships today. Just some chill stuff today, pretty much. I do plan on getting some more tint though for the car. The previous owner had put 20% all around. Nothing is on the windshield. I want something a little bit more darker. I prefer my privacy, so that's what we'll be going with. Tint will be coming soon. But other than that, for right now, this is pretty much it, bro. Riding it how it is. Okay. I'm not about to ride beside you. That's not what I'm about to do. We do got the Continentals on. We got some 275, so I'm good for whatever, really, man. That's another thing though too, bro. People be doing all these burnouts and going to these takeovers, and then when the weather get bad, you sliding everywhere, man. But your tires fucked up. See, this is my daily job, bro, so I don't be doing all that crazy shit. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I get a little loosey-goosey. But other than that, not intentionally, bro. Only if I choose to do so. But yeah, you gotta take care of your car, man. Take care of your car. It'll take care of you right back. Man, them damn Range Rover be looking like UFOs, bro. Them new ones, like a damn UFO. It's just big and slick looking. That's all it is. Okay, let me get over here. I'm sorry, everybody going a little too slow. A little too slow. Now I can't tell a difference between those two. Like so on my Scat Pack stock, I have in regular comfort mode, it's just the MDS, cylinder deactivation, goes into 4-cylinder mode. It wasn't an eco, it basically is an eco mode, but I don't think it's really a huge difference between the two, man. I think it's basically the same thing, but you just have to manually set it on here. But I got mine set as a default eco, so whenever I start up, it's already in eco mode. But yeah, I don't really think it's a huge difference from just the stock, how my car was stock before I added the drive modes on here. It's just something to look at, bro. Everybody want the drive mode. That's the fun of it, Track mode is fucking crazy, That's one of my favorite modes. I wouldn't say way better than sport, but sport, I still go in sport mode. But track, that transmission is just, man, I mean, it just keep pulling, bro. It just want to go. Every time you drive, bro, I mean, every time I switch over to it, it just wants to go, man. Shoot, one day, I'm going to take it to the strip, one day. Don't know when. Don't know when. But yeah, whenever I do go, I'm about to put some different tires on here instead of some street tires, just to see how it hook up. Might get some like Nittos or something, put them in the back. There would be and that's actually a good idea, huh? Do that during the summertime, put some Nittos on and go to the track. Oh man, that sounds good. That's a good idea. Look at that. So it'll be my first time going to the track, drag strip, and have my own car that's on the drag strip too. So that'd be a great experience, man. I'm definitely going to do that. But today I'm probably gonna upload some more videos. I need to upload the ones that I still have my camera roll when I got my oil change, and I got a couple, I think like at least like what, 4 or 5 videos that I gotta combine and merge together. That's all on my camera roll, man. All of my photos, I gotta get those together. Now they probably won't all be uploaded all at once because I'll be having a little schedule for my uploads. Yeah, let me go and get in front of this guy. Let me get up here, buddy. Thank you, sir. Oh man, I guess we're gonna end the video off here. Girls calling, but I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I'm out.